I'm Suzanne O'Brien, and I'm a Senior Project Manager at MentorMate. I'm here in my side yard in Minneapolis today to talk about project management and in particular project scope. A project can be simply defined as the achievement of scope over time at a cost. In the world of software service, the scope is what the project wants to accomplish. The time is how long it takes to deliver, and the cost is how much the personnel and tools will cost to do the work. Really, it's a triangle, and it needs to be stable on all three sides for the project to be predictable. Many projects start with the intended scope. A product owner or client will come to understand that certain tools on a software application should work in a certain way. Fully understanding the scope helps us be more or less confident about what risks might be involved. We scaffold our project scope so that we understand as much as we can about the requirements, the behaviors, the platforms, the integrations, the tools, and other variables like tech stack and audience. This helps us to decide who should do the work. Here is where we also can insert the variable of time. How long will it take for these people to do this job? We can look at this as the maturity date of a project. Will it be ready in 3 months, 6 months, a year? Sometimes a project has a specific dependency for finishing by a certain date or needs a certain skill set. Usually, this will increase the cost as we need to staff more people on the project to accomplish the goal. Think of time as the second leg of the project. These two legs tell us where the third point, cost, will fall in our triangle. Most projects also have a preferred cost, which is dependent on how much money is available to invest in the particular product. So these three legs, cost, time, and scope, are the three levers we can pull if analysis of the project shows a problem, and we analyze all the time. Take my gourd plant, for example. This one started very, very slowly. It started way back in May, knowing that I would only have until the first frost to harvest gourds. In the case of my gourd project, my time is fixed. I can't do anything about the end date. It will come when it comes and can't be extended. In the case of my gourd project also, cost is fixed, mostly due to my time constraints. It won't help me achieve my goals to throw more money at my gourd because my timeline is fixed. More money won't achieve my aim, which is to grow and harvest gourds. So that leaves scope as my final variable that is indeed variable. Scope starts with expectations. What do I expect to achieve? My gourd is growing like crazy. It has ideas to take over my house, the neighbor's fence, and the sidewalk. It will continue putting out new shoots, new ideas if you will, because it is highly creative and really wants to grow. If I let it grow everywhere, it will flower, but maybe not set baby gourds the way it should. The long-seeking vines, just like good ideas, will keep going. I trimmed the main vine several weeks ago, and now I will trim the long-reaching tendrils to focus on the main vine, the main scope, the main task. Scope management should occur with almost any project, no matter how small or large. A project manager must maintain the focus of the project, make a path to get to the goal, and then clear out any obstacles that might arise. Keep your eyes on the prize because scope creep helps no one. Snip, snip, snip. This one is on the sidewalk. I'm going to cut it here. I hope you learned something today about project management. You can find out more about MentorMate at www.mentormate.com. Thanks for your attention and have a great autumn.